Exploring Google's shielded email, enhancing email privacy. Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Jonathan's vlog. Today we're diving into Google's latest move to tackle email privacy with a brand new feature called shielded email. Imagine having the power to protect your inbox from spam and phishing while signing up for services online. Sounds cool, right? Well, Google is making it a reality. Stick around as we explore how this feature works, how it compares to similar tools like Apple's Hide My Email, and what it means for your digital security. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's jump in! So, what exactly is shielded email? Well, the idea is genius yet simple. Google is introducing email aliases, unique one-time use email addresses that forward messages straight to your primary Gmail account. This way you can sign up for online services or fill out forms without ever exposing your real email. Think about it. No more dealing with spam or worrying about your email address ending up in the wrong hands. This isn't a brand new concept. Apple introduced Hide My Email in 2021 for iCloud Plus users, allowing them to create burner email addresses. Services like Bitwarden and DuckDuckGo also offer similar features. But here's why Google's shielded email is exciting. It integrates seamlessly into Gmail, making it super easy for millions of users to take control of their email privacy. Now let's talk about the competition. Apple's Hide My Email is great for Safari, Mail, and Apple Pay users. But the catch, it's exclusive to iCloud Plus subscribers. Google, on the other hand, could potentially offer this feature to all Gmail users. If true, this would be a massive advantage, democratizing email privacy like never before. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. We love bringing you the latest tech news, and your support means everything. Here's why shielded email is a game changer. In today's digital age, data breaches and spam are constant threats. Having a layer of protection between your personal email and the rest of the internet is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. And Google seems to be on the right path, especially after rolling out virtual card numbers for secure online payments. Google isn't stopping there. They've also released Android System Key Verifier, an app designed to enhance security by ensuring your communication is end-to-end encrypted and verified using QR codes. It's clear that Google is doubling down on privacy and security, which, let's face it, is exactly what we need right now. Are you excited about shielded email? Do you think it'll be a game changer for Gmail users? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, let us know if you've used similar features like Hide My Email. Let's get the conversation started. To wrap things up, Google's shielded email has the potential to set a new standard for email privacy, putting power back into the hands of users. With tools like this, Apple's Hide My Email, and other privacy-focused innovations, it's an exciting time to see how tech giants are redefining digital security. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Jonathan's vlog. Until next time, stay safe, stay tech savvy, and we'll catch you in the next video.